Go on.
Wow.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come. This time we'll explore to the left. We went to the right before. Alright, take two. Hazel doesn't remember we actually came in this way. Now we're going to go left. Number 22, what if that means? Maybe, did we do this before?
Yeah. I remember 22. No, it's 23.
No, I thought we did it. Oh, I thought it was just another entrance. This says F. Oh, fucking hard. Oh, damn, this is the toilet. This is the toilet. Alright, let's carry on. To the left. To the left. To the left.
I think we just walked this way.
Yeah, we did. I thought we did too, but we didn't. I think what we did is we came around this corner here to the right, and we walked back that way. What we didn't do is go in here. Oh, no, we did actually. Aberdeen Tunnel. We came from that way. I think we went that way. Oh, we came from that way, that's for sure. And you know what? We went this way as well, right?
I think that's just it. We just go for everywhere now.
Okay, alright. Well, you know what? I think what's happened is they've sealed in a bunch of the tunnels. Like this used to be a tunnel. This used to be a tunnel. And now they've sealed it in. You used to be able to go further. So, oh, anyway. Not too bad, huh? I feel my fucking LED torch burning up. So it's probably a good idea to go out before the thing runs out.
Japanese
right?
Channel Lighten Hill. Causeway.
Yeah.
What's that?
You know what? We need some photos. Can I where's the toilet? You know what? I need to take a dump in that toilet. Not a dump, but I need to go there. It was this way, right? The toilet was the first leg. Let's take a couple of photos because some of the people in the abandoned village group want to see. Is it here?
I remember there's an F.
Wow, look at this. We've never been here before. Have we? Wow, look at this. Oh yeah, I need my phone. Well, you need to get your phone out. Can you take your phone out? And like take photos. Like I'm taking video, you take some photos.